Good morning children. How are you? Fine. Really? जब आप कहीं बाहर जाते हो तो आपकी मम्मा आपसे क्या एक्सपेक्ट करती हैं कि आप जल्दी से घर आ जाओ. Similarly here, two birds flew away and their mother was expecting from them to come back soon. So let's recite a rhyme with me. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon the wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. So, dear children, let's recite the rhyme for one more time. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon the wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Now, dear children, it's your turn to recite the rhyme with your parents.